Hey everyone, for this week's review we've got a couple 1970s American cars. The first one is a 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner by American Muscle, and the other is a 1974 Buick Estate Wagon by BOS Models. Up first we'll look at the Plymouth, and this is good old-fashioned die-cast. Some people get up in arms when I review something out of resin, because God forbid things don't open. But things do open here. So we've got some nice big thick door gaps. We do have flocking, carpeting on the inside. Paint quality I think is alright. A few little issues like that little dot in the graphics. The hood fitment, that gap is pretty bad. You can actually see there's quite a bit of orange peel in this paint. Under hood detail, we've got our nice thick dog legs that you get on an inexpensive die cast. You've got this wonderful air filter decal which does not stay put. If it sounds like I'm bitching a little bit, it's because while this retails for about $89 to $99, and I'm not impressed with the quality of it. It's nice to have a little decal under the trunk lid, the simulated spare tire. That's all nice, well and good. Over here we have poor fitting interior trim. You see that line there. I have no idea why, but it'll steer one direction but not the other. I literally can't explain that. This is supposed to be a numbered limited edition. No one else really makes this car. It's the only reason why I have it. Again, retail approaching $100. I paid $30, which I normally say at that price I'm not mad at it, but again, the quality is this is just kind of subpar to me. It's a little bit better than a toy, but what can you do when no one else makes one? So, but again, it's die-cast. My opinion is die-cast is great, but if it can't be made to good enough quality with good stance and good proportions and good details, I'd rather have resin. Why pay more to have inferior? Packaging, clamshell. There's no hardware to take this out of the box. You just pull it out of the clamshell. So that's kind of nice in terms of nice and easy removal. Up next we've got the BOS car, which is kind of a funny story. I had wanted this Buick. It was on my wish list. American Excellence actually sent it to me by accident. I had ordered 3 sets of cases. I got 2, and the third box was this die-cast, this resin car, so again, nothing opens. But I paid the equivalent of about $30 for it because that's how much I paid for the 3-pack of packaging. Now, it has atrocious windows. You can see this gap right here, which I tried to make a little better. No matter how you try and fix that gap, because of the wraparound of this window, it will never sit right. This is the failure of resin to me so often, it's the windows, because it's not that thicker plastic. It does it again on the other side. I doubt anyone owns one of these, this exact model, that has a perfectly flush window. Otherwise, I love it. I love the subject matter. This is car number, let's see, 413 out of 1,000. And again, I paid about $30 for it. Retails $129-ish. So at that price, I'm not mad at it. I'm just mad at these windows. Awesome subject matter. I love wagons. I love the fake wood. Love everything about it. Just tired of bad windows. Maybe I'm just in a bad mood today where I'm mad at my resins and I'm mad at my die-cast, but I don't know. Just I want to do some American car subject matter, and both of these have pretty blatant flaws. The BOS packaging, nothing really to see here. BOS literally has one standard black box, nothing to show, nothing of interest. Starting to run out of pairs. I have quite a few die casts on the way, but they're held up in Germany because of shipping issues. American Excellence, for example, owes me a car, but they're not shipping anything or taking orders because of the plague that's going around, so might have to resort to single videos again. Tune in next week. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.